What is up, good people? Jungle Link here. Hope you're doing well. Today, we're going to be diving into some massive news in the crypto world that could set the stage for XRP's future growth. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has made a bold statement, and it's all tied to Grayscale investment in their newly launched XRP Trust. Let's break it down. Grayscale, its XRP Trust, could really be a game changer here. Just yesterday, Grayscale, the leading digital asset manager, they shocked the crypto community by relaunching their XRP Trust, which could be a precursor to a spot ETF filing at some point in the future. This is the same thing they did with Bitcoin, Ethereum. They're not doing this for fun. They think there's a business opportunity here to be had. This move has the potential to completely change the game for XRP investors and the broader crypto market. Your big players like Grayscale are saying, you know what? The token is not a security, and we're going to go ahead and list it and trade it. And at this point in time, they don't know if the SEC is going to continue with this lawsuit, if they're going to appeal. They're not waiting around. What does that tell you everyone else is going to do? How much effect will an appeal have on XRP's value? Are we going to be delisted? Are we not going to be included in future plans? Grayscale showed you the way this is going to play out. They are going to lean on Judge Torres's rightful and lawful decision there. XRP, my friends, is a pure commodity. So what's next? The real excitement here is Grayscale's ambition to convert the XRP Trust into a spot ETF at some point in time. For those not familiar, Grayscale has already converted their Bitcoin and Ethereum trust, and they're really setting the stage here for future launches. You know, they're not launching these things for fun. Pay attention to these private funds that they are starting now, because that is their future plans. Know that. And if this happens, if they include XRP in the traditional market with the spot ETF, that's a game changer. That is next level stuff. It is going to allow more investment capital to flow into this asset. Think about the things that people within cryptocurrencies don't like about XRP. Oh, they follow the law. They work with the banks. You know, these are things that traditional investors are going to see as a positive, as a strength, that it's built for compliance, that it's built for scale, that it's built for purpose. The SEC now, they have been so overboard tough on XRP like no other cryptocurrency ever. But recent legal challenges, first of all, that ruling by Judge Torres, man, times have changed. It's politically unpopular. I think the SEC has run out of road here. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Of course, the SEC would have to approve any ETF launch. So even if the demand's there, even if you have institutional interest that wants to launch these things, the SEC has to approve them. If there is an ongoing legal battle with Ripple, you know, the biggest player in the XRP ecosystem, are they going to approve that? Probably not. To see if we are going to be in that next round of crypto assets that should get approved in 2025, XRP would be at the top of the list. Keep an eye on what goes on here. Do we see an appeal by the SEC, or do they understand they got about all there is to squeeze out of Ripple and this ecosystem, and if they continue, it's just going to get worse for them? Let's sit back, watch it play out. Let's hope they don't appeal, because Judge Torres, she made that bulletproof decision. XRP's a pure commodity. We knew it going in, and we got the answer we were looking for. Now, what's clear here? That Grayscale's XRP Trust, it's a big deal. And not just for Ripple, but for the broader crypto space. XRP, a hot topic here ever since the SEC lawsuit. And this trust by Grayscale, it just further solidifies how your big players look at XRP, look at this XRP ecosystem, and it's just going to continue to grow and expand. It's not just about the trust or even the potential of the trust. It's how institutions are looking at this asset. That's what matters. Now, we're sitting back here. We're waiting to see what the Federal Reserve does. And it's looking more and more like it's going to be a 50 basis point cut. This is going to be huge for all cryptocurrencies as we go back into full force funny money, quantitative easing. The Federal Reserve with its games and gimmicks at full steam ahead. That's really going to be fuel for cryptocurrency adoption. Both the use case, using crypto as a tool, and also a hedge against inflation, a hedge against poor fiscal policy, a hedge against geopolitical risks, all across the board at all-time high. We're looking good here. Now, I did a video the other day talking about some risk factors. I'll talk about the good, the bad. I'll give you the full picture. Now, those types of videos, they don't always get a lot of views. I'll link it down below. You'll see it pop up here at the end of the video. Check it out. I'm just saying, be careful, look out on the horizon, prepare, be ready. But really, when you look at everything, the totality, most things, almost all things for XRP have improved in a significant way when compared to the prior bull run. Ripple's future looking brighter by the day. XRP's future looking better and better. The combination of legal clarity, institutional interest from Grayscale, and the broader economic backdrop could mean that XRP is ready for explosive growth. I think that most major cryptocurrencies with the utility, with staying power, they're going to perform, man. I think where we are right now is roughly analogous to September 2020, as we're on the precipice of a major run. Now, this time around, things are a little bit different. We had those ETFs that kind of pumped Bitcoin, pumped Ethereum. You've seen Solana run up. You've seen some choice growth within this space, but I see people saying, oh, the bull run's almost over. It hasn't even started. This market is going to light up like a Christmas tree, and I think Q4 of this year is just the beginning of the actual bull run. You have seen nothing to date. What do you think? Will Grayscale's XRP Trust pave the way for an ETF? Will we see a spot XRP ETF in the United States? Will we see a spot XRP ETF in the United States in 2025? Do you think it will happen? Will Ripple finally break free from its legal challenges? Can we put this all behind us? Will the SEC just drop it and be happy with their $125 million? And will XRP reach new all-time highs? I think we're going to find out all of these questions, and we ain't going to be waiting around for years. It's going to be in short order. Drop your comments down below. Let me know your thoughts. What are you seeing here? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Just hit it right now. Hit that bell to stay up to date on cryptocurrency news. We're going to be rolling out a SUI video here shortly. Hope you stick around. We'll see you here next time. As always, please like, please subscribe. The revolution will be televised right here on Jungle Link.